This is so humiliating!
My hair looks so asymmetrical the whole time. I'm very sorry. Hello everyone, my name is Sharie. In today's video, I'm gonna attempt to make a DIY VSCO phone case. Disclaimer though, I don't really like to consider myself a VSCO girl. I got this idea from laurdiy. I saw that her phone case had a bunch of really cute stickers and I really wanted to recreate that. So I decided to print out a bunch of stickers that represent me and add it to a clear phone case. Here's how the process went. First up, I printed out a bunch of cute sticker-like images on a piece of thick paper. Didn't actually want to print them out on sticker paper because I wasn't going to print actual stickers but just things that look like stickers. Ways that you can find some cute images for your phone case can be by googling something like Pinterest sticker packs, which comes up with groups of stickers with like the same kind of theme on them. If you wanted to go with an individual sticker, then you can write down what you want and then write sticker afterwards. Finally, if you want a cartoony image, you can search up something with the word clip art in it, which can give you a cartoon vibe. I put all the images that I picked out inside a Word document, which I later printed out. Keep in mind that I put them in multiple times with different sizes because I wasn't sure of like the size that I wanted at that time or the placement of the stickers. I printed out a subscribe symbol. So, how am I supposed to do this? Make sure to subscribe. Okay, this is gonna be a very short ad break on the web browser ECOSIA. If you notice, I wasn't googling any of the sticker packs, but I used something called ECOSIA. ECOSIA is basically this really cool search engine that for every 40-something searches, a tree is planted. You might be wondering, this is too good to be true, but it's all true. You can see it all on their Instagram page, you can see it on proven videos, and I'm certain that this is a very true to base and not a lying website. And that's a way to save the planet. I don't only just want to save the turtles, you guys. I really do care about the sustainability of this whole world and not just one certain species of animal. Not just turtles that need saving. It's us. And it's this planet. At first, I was kind of awkward at using ECOSIA. I was kind of just embarrassed to do it. As time went by, I got really used to using it. And so far, I've almost made 1,500 searches on there. Like, it feels nice using it rather than Google. Once I cut out all the stickers, I actually started to place them on my phone case. As you can see down the bottom left corner, I kind of had an explanation for most of my stickers as to why I chose them, so all of them represent me in a certain way. I originally cut some stickers with a white border, but then I decided to get rid of it, which actually made a much bigger difference. So I actually used like a fine liner just to make sure that the white spaces that were left there were like also like black, if that makes sense, just to neaten the edges that I cut up a bit more. At first, I did not want to stick any stickers permanently anywhere, so I just literally placed them on my phone and I tried to use multiple methods. After a while, the sticker-like symbols started to like move around and it was getting really annoying that they kept on moving, so I decided to go with my trusty blue tack. Blue tack is actually so useful, you guys, because it stuck everything so that all the sticker-like images would stay in place because they aren't actually stickers. You can take the stickers off easily if you ever get bored of them. I stuck them to my phone to the point where if I put it upside down, it wouldn't fall off, and then I just easily put my case on top. And that is your aesthetic phone case. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that video. If you try and recreate or do something similar to your phone case, be sure to tag me on my Instagram at Sharie_Fernandez. If you like this video, if you enjoyed it, make sure to subscribe if you're new here, turn on post notifications so you won't miss any videos from me. Binge watch my old videos, and I'll see you all in my next one. Love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.